Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up Canon PIXMA MP600 series printer software onto your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP600 support into Google, and one of the best results should say Canon support for PIXMA MP600. Go ahead and open that up. You should see a picture of your printer over here on the side, as well as other helpful support links over here. But we're just going to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then scrolling down again, select where it says My Printer, and then the corresponding download button for that. Once it's downloaded to our system, go ahead and open up that download and make sure to verify publisher, Canon Inc., and select yes. You can close out of the browser too. It should say welcome to the Canon My Printer Setup program. Select next. Select your region as well as country. Agree to the license terms and then select next here. And then you can create a desktop shortcut if you choose and select complete. And then if for some reason you're still having an issue, you can open up the utility and select diagnose and repair printer, and that'll walk you through common troubleshooting steps here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.